it's Amber Mark, and I'm here with Twisted, and they're going to do a little spin on my favorite hangover food, chicken ramen. I think the most memorable industry hang I did was I went to the Grammys. There was a Grammy after party at Alicia Keys' house, and it was so surreal just being in a room with 2 Chainz and Ludacris, and Usher was having a dance battle, and Quincy Jones was there, and obviously Alicia Keys, and Drake showed up. DJ Khaled was on the mic doing his another one. It was just so many. I couldn't even process it. So I think that was my most memorable one, and I did feel a hangover the following day as well. My perfect hangover day would probably be sleeping in, waking up, around noon, either ordering in food and binge watching a TV show. I don't know, The Real Housewives of New York, something really just cheesy and weird. Or going to brunch with some friends that I went out with the night before, and maybe hair of the dog situation. Food is the most important part of my hangover cure. One or the other. So it's either staying in, going to get food, but it all involves food, either way. I think I'm a good cook for myself. I don't like to cook for other people just because it makes me really nervous, and I feel I tend to throw in a lot of spice and a lot of salt, and I don't think a lot of people like that. What I love about ramen, first of all, I like eggs a lot, and I love the way they cook the egg. It's perfectly boiled, so it's kind of soft and on the hard side. My personal, I think, opinion of the best ramen in the world is this spot in New York City called Ivan Ramen, and he has a chicken python that's made with rye noodles. They hand make all the noodles there, and it's absolutely amazing. It's like crack. I'm so addicted to it. Craving it right now. I crave it all the time. It's what I want to eat pretty much every day. It's the ultimate hangover cure for me personally. If I'm ever feeling it, has all the protein, all the grease and fat that you could possibly want and need. So anytime anyone's feeling it, I'm always just go get some chicken python. It'll help you out. What? Are these ramen? Is this a Scotch egg made with ramen? Is that what this is? Mm-hmm. Oh my god! I love Scotch eggs! Okay, this is so cool. So this is pretty crazy. It's a Scotch ramen egg. It's a Scotch egg with instant ramen kind of used as the doughy bit of it, and inside is my favorite, an egg. It's ramen and Scotch eggs. 2 of my favorite things in one. Amazing. What? This is crazy. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, it's perfect. It's so orange. What a cool idea. I really did not expect anything like this. This is 2 of my favorite foods in one. Oh, wow, it's good. You can really taste the kick. Delicious. This is so good. I have to applaud you. I've never had anything like this before. It's amazing. It's delicious. It's a dream. Thanks so much, Twisted, for this spin on my favorite dish. It's been awesome. All right, well, do you guys want to try this?
Do you want to? Definitely try it. I'm starving.
Sorry, some of them are half eaten.
That's crazy.
I know.
Mom.
I never would have thought.
I ruined it.
So good.